Hello and welcome to MyFavorito. This welcome assistant will guide you through the steps to get your sports club up and running. Once you complete these first steps, your club will be able to receive payouts from sponsors. So let's get started. This is the MyFavorito Dashboard. It's simple and easy to use. At the top of the page, you will find the navigation toolbar with links to your loyalty system, promotions, sponsors, and much more. Today, we will start by creating your club community. So click on Community in the navigation toolbar. Your community is like your profile. This is what will appear when your fans and club members search for your club in the mobile and web app. This is where they will find your promotions, rewards, and your club's instant prize draw. The setup is very simple. All you need to do is enter all the basic information for your club. The name, a short description, postal address, phone number, email, and website. Once that is complete, upload a logo and 2 header images, one for the mobile app and one for the website. All images should be high quality to ensure your club displays correctly in both the mobile and web app. The images you use on your social media channels should work here as well. The logo should be a square image, header images should be in the dimensions of 16 by 9. When you upload an image, you will be able to adjust it using the editing tools. You can zoom in, zoom out, and adjust which part of the image is displayed. You can also add your club colors. Click Save and you have now set up your community. Now let's check it out and see what it looks like in the mobile and web app. Head to myfavorito.com and enter your club's name in the search bar. Select your sports club and view your community. Open the MyFavorito mobile app, search for your club, and check out your now active community.